One of my earliest memories from the early 60s is walking to school in the morning during winter when we lived on Vail Island. I loved going to school. I loved learning. Learning felt good when I did my best. Education in the North prepared me to access available labor market opportunities at the time as a younger woman. How to use a cash register, type on carbon copies, make photocopies, and file checkbooks in and out of the library, and drive. A decade or so later, I gained admission to university as a mature student, a single parent who had not completed high school. University opened up a world of possibility, promise, and potential. I met other Aboriginal students and began studying the Cree language. I listened to Indigenous elders and knowledge holders, participated in ceremony, learned from the land, attended community events, and worked together with and on behalf of Indigenous governments and organizations. As Dene Métis, I learned Indigenous ways of knowing, teaching, learning, doing, being, and life ways. To me, Indigenous education is self-determination. Education should provide you with the tools you need to be capable, autonomous, and responsible in ways that will strengthen community health and well-being. Most important, higher education can prepare you to sit at meeting room tables, to participate in decision-making processes, and facilitate change for future generations. Know who you are and where you come from. Listen. Learn how to talk and think together with others. Celebrate indigeneity. Practice reading and writing. Be prepared. Attend university.